Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where the display is larger or smaller than monitor in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Before anything else, just right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side and select display in the right pane. Now scroll down and make sure that the scale is selected at the recommended value and display resolution is also the recommended value. Now, why is this important? Because the recommended scale is not necessarily 100%. It can be anything. Just select whatever value has the word recommended in front of it. So a lot of games and third-party software products can change the settings of your system and thus cause this issue. The next one will be as follows. Okay, you can perform a clean boot on the system if you don't know which application is causing the issue. So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the service is checked, then select disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. And lastly, one more thing that you have to try, update Windows. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side and click on check for updates in the right pane. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.